Hello everyone, this is Eric Diaz. Today I want to share with you guys how that we are in our class are going to make a Facebook page and then also make a Facebook page event. So let me share my screen and I'm going to show you how simple this task is. All right, so I'm going to go to the project details here. So this is for your task. This is what you'll see in your assignments. So you'll see the first part of it is creating a Facebook company page, and then you're going to follow that with creating an event for that page. So all the details here, create a Facebook company page. You can use this link. So just click on that and you'll see it should open up into this where it says create a page. And this is where you're going to put in your page name, category, basically what kind of company is yours, and then a description of that. I have some details of what I'm looking for as far as descriptions. Bio description should be 150 characters minimum. Relative link. Okay, so some of this stuff you're going to put in immediately. Some of this you're going to go back to and edit and put it back in. So some of it like relevant link in bio, relevant username, those you're gonna put in shortly. So you're going to put this in. You're going to create your. You're going to upload an image in the next step. You're going to upload a background header, and then you're going to put in some of the rest of the information there. So I'll just do one. Let me just call it test page PC. This is something I'm going to delete immediately after, but just to show you guys. So this will be education website and test page to show how to create FB pages. I'm going to create this page. It should just take a minute because it's actually creating this business on Facebook. All right, it's telling me now that I can add images or more details. So it says right here, I can add a profile picture. So this is something where I want you guys to, I just have some generic logos from PC, but this is where you guys are going to actually upload, create an image or a logo for your company, and then also add a background photo, something that's kind of relevant to your company, and put that in the background. So for the profile pic, let me do that one first. So for me, I'm gonna just add the PC bears, or actually this one's the PC logo, and then for the cover photo, I'm gonna do an image of the school at night. All right, so I'm gonna save that, and now that should be all I need to get basically my images. Now I've got some branding there. It's gonna ask me to connect my WhatsApp. You may see something slightly different, but I don't need to do that. Now, a couple things I do need to do though are creating a username and add an action button. You'll see those are pretty simple to do. It's right there. So just go ahead and do those. Let's see, relative link in bio. You can add that later. Yeah, so I'll just show you how to do these two steps. So create a username. So I'm just gonna say test page PC, and then if I just click away, it's gonna tell me if it's available. So it's not available. Let's see, so in that case, I can either add numbers to it or I can change the name slightly. So let's see if it'll allow me to do this. Okay, so now because I got the green check mark, it's telling me that that's available. So I'm gonna create the username. And then I'm going to add the action button. So this is really important because this is what you want people to do. If you want people to start an order, if you want to point them to your website for your fictitious business, so it'll be the same fictitious website that you have. If there's a phone number you want people to call, all these different options. You could have somebody send you a message, whatever you feel is best. I just want you to have one of these, whichever one you want is fine. Very good. So the rest of it is pretty simple here. I'm not going to go through all the details here just for the sake of time, but just provide the info. Everything I'm asking for, just make sure to check off the list here and put all the information in. Now, create a public event. And I am going to share a couple links to some of our previous pages that have met all these requirements. So create a public event. This is one of the ones. Let me show you this. J Panther. So this is a previous class assignment, and I'll share this with you. And then what I'm going to go do is go to events, and I'm going to go to past events. So it was a fictitious DJ business. And what they did is they had a Facebook Live event. It was 2 hours. It was event, and says by that company's name. Anybody could attend. And then it had the description. It had a longer description here because that's what I'm asking for. So you'll see I have a note of what I'm looking for, 1,000 characters minimum. Now remember, for this, I can easily just copy and paste my information into Grammarly and it'll test it. So like right now, let's see, I'm gonna put, I'm gonna do a new Grammarly page and it's gonna tell me the character counts. So all I need to do to switch that is just go down here where it says words and switch that to characters. So this person has 1,098 characters. So that was well over what I needed. Added some hashtags. They did all the requirements I asked for. They put the CIS 103 for the hashtag requirement. Everything was in there. Oh, one of the things I wanted to point out is that the relevant background image, that should be different than what you use. It should be different in your logo and should be different, a new image that you have not used before. And then add a date with a start time, add a category, pretty much all of the standard things. So all of that's there. I just wanted to share some of these examples with you so you had an idea of what I'm looking for. All right, hope that helps. Thank you guys.